Well, that's pretty good. Turn this radio down. Okay, that's pretty good. I thought haven't had my lunch yet. I thought I'd back the Landcruiser out. I've been touching up some paint recently, and if we are going to get a lot of rain, I figure I better get some modern photos. I'm not sure where to look. I think that's... Are you the camera? No, where are you? Oh, I don't know. New phone. So I thought I'd back the old Landcruiser out. I'm going to put it up for sale. She's been a good old girl. Ready?
Yeah, slow it down a bit. Out there. Stick to the road.
Trying to see it.
There you go.
Yay! Hooray for us! Also, better get some photos. So let's do that. It's a lovely thing, actually, but I'm sick and tired of paying registrations and insurances. Sick of smoking as well, paying for it, which is worse. And let's put this up. Might be a bit quieter. What if can I switch camera? No. Yeah, just basically sick of outlaying money in this rip-off state of Queensland, Australia. I've sold some of my cars. Some of you may know. Had 2 Corvettes and 56 F100. Going slow, I haven't driven this for a while. Ooh. And of course there's people across the road moving in, I think. So let's go for a little drive while we're here. Actually, let's reverse the camera. Okay. Whew. Yeah, come on, back on. Whoa. Well. Let's not, because I haven't really got it mounted anywhere. Could do it here, I suppose. No, forget it. Okay. Well, it's not a very good camera angle. It's so nice to drive though. Probably shouldn't shoot this in 4K, should I? Photo time. And time for my sushi for lunch, or brunch actually, breakfast and lunch.